Hey guys, quick update video here. The reason I'm doing this video is just because there was apparently over 2,000 comments on my original video about what happened with my car insurance with my Xpeng G6 EV. Now, there's nothing wrong with the car. I mean, no fault with the car. It was just damaged by someone else hitting it. And I made a claim. And anyway, if you want to see what happened, I'll put a link in the description below to my original video. Fortunately, a lot of you contacted me offering help and assistance. A couple of corporate lawyers and people who I'm honestly really grateful to you guys because, yeah, this year, particularly the last couple of months, have been extremely challenging. For example, to give you some context, today Shanna was in the hospital for surgery for a stent, and tomorrow I'm going to take Cal, my 9-year-old. He's getting surgery tomorrow, and his surgery is ear, nose, and throat, adenoids and tonsils, and he's got to get a little surgery in his nose. There's a weird blockage there that they've got to, and also he's getting some grommets in his ears. So right now he can't really hear properly. He's maybe the surfing or he plays underwater hockey, the swimming. He does a lot of swim racing as well. Somehow all that's happened, and he's got to do that. So I'll be in the hospital with him tomorrow. But yeah, it's I think it goes without saying it's been a pretty challenging time. Fortunately, I have to say thank you for your offers of help, but luckily I don't need it because Budget Direct, they actually contacted me either the day of or maybe the day after I posted that video. And I mean, probably contacted me partly because of you guys watching the video, and that's what's helped it to get noticed. And they said, listen, we are going to cover the insurance claim. We're going to fix the car for you, and we're going to refund your excess. So I don't even have to pay an excess anymore. They said, we realize it wasn't your fault, and so we're going to cover it. I haven't received a refund yet for the excess, though they did tell me it could take a few days. That might be what's happening. But this was Friday last week that they said that they would cover it, refund the excess, and fix the car. So, thanks to the power of, I don't know really, to be honest. I mean, you could say the power of social media, or you could say the power of just the case being seen by the right people at Budget Direct. Maybe that's all it needed, the right people to see it and say, you know what, we'll sort this out for you. I don't know exactly when it's going to be fixed. I don't know exactly how this is going to go, but I've got to say, I am thankful to all of you and also to Budget Direct for saying, yeah, no, we're going to fix this one and sort it out for you. So I know I've received a lot of emails from many of you saying you've had your insurance cancelled, not just by Budget Direct, but by other insurers as well. It's not just Budget Direct doing this, it's other insurance companies as well. So I maybe made not a claim, but maybe I was kind of wrong in saying it was Budget Direct cancelling everyone's insurance because there's quite a few insurers doing this. I don't know exactly why this is happening. And I do get it with Xpeng. There's been some uncertainty over parts supply, not just uncertainty. I mean, Xpeng, as far as I can tell, the parts haven't been supplied that needed in some cases to repair the cars. So that's been part of the issue here. And maybe that's why Budget Direct felt they had no choice but to cancel Xpeng owners' insurance. There are some insurers who will still cover Xpeng vehicles. And my guess is that, within 6 months' time, when Xpeng are up and ready to go and supplying vehicles, and True EV hopefully as well, supplying vehicles, and Xpeng have said that they are now going to cover the parts situation in Australia. So that might change, and maybe these insurance companies will change their minds based on what's about to change. With what I mean is by Xpeng's factory backing in Australia, and True EV bringing in more stock as well. So I hope that that will change for existing owners because I don't plan on, to be honest, I plan on having this Xpeng vehicle going forwards. I don't really want to sell it. I mean, maybe if there's a new model, I wouldn't mind upgrading to the new model. That would be cool. But I'm happy with the car, so I would just like it to look like new again, which is hopefully what is going to happen. All right, so just another update here. I checked my emails and I do have an email from Budget Direct saying Dear Sir, Madam, claim number 121, da 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 da. Please be advised that on the 8th of May, we requested the amount of $1,100 to be transferred into credit back onto your credit card. So it looks like they have now refunded me that excess fee of $1,100. Once again, guys, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.